Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer money to bank account from Revolut. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. First up, head over to Revolut. It should look something like this. Then you can either click on send right over here, or at the bottom you'll see something called payments. So you click on payments. After that, you're gonna click on bank transfer, and then what it's going to ask you if it's one of these people, like if it's an international, or you want to split the bill, or you want to request a payment. But since you want to send money, we're going to click on new and then add in the bank information of the person that we want to send all of this to, and then it's going to ask us how much do we want to send. And after you've put in all of this information, just review it one more time and then confirm, hit send, and it should be going somewhere from 1 to 3 business days depending on what time you're sending. And there you go, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.